What fitness tracker should I get? Choosing a fitness tracker depends on your personal preferences, fitness goals, and desired features. Here are some factors to consider when selecting a fitness tracker. Tracking features. Determine the specific activities and metrics you want to track. Most fitness trackers offer basic features like step counting, distance measurement, and calorie tracking. However, if you have specific needs like heart rate monitoring, GPS tracking, or sleep tracking, ensure the device you choose includes those features. Compatibility. Check if the fitness tracker is compatible with your smartphone or the devices you plan to use it with. Some trackers work seamlessly with both iOS and Android, while others may have limited compatibility. Design and comfort. Consider the design and comfort of the fitness tracker. It should be comfortable to wear, durable, and water-resistant if you plan to use it during swimming or other water-based activities. Additionally, pay attention to factors like screen size, readability, and ease of navigation. Battery life. Assess the battery life of the fitness tracker. Depending on your usage and how often you want to charge it, look for a tracker that offers a battery life that aligns with your needs. Some trackers need to be charged daily, while others can last several days or even weeks. Mobile app and data analysis. Research the accompanying mobile app of the fitness tracker. The app should provide an intuitive interface and robust data analysis, allowing you to track your progress, set goals, and monitor trends over time. Check if the app integrates with other fitness or health platforms you use. Price. Determine your budget and find a fitness tracker that offers the features you need within that price range. Consider the value you will receive from the device and compare different options to make an informed decision. User reviews and recommendations. Read user reviews and seek recommendations from friends or online communities to gain insights into the real-world performance and reliability of the fitness trackers you're considering. Remember, no single fitness tracker is perfect for everyone, so it's important to prioritize the features that align with your specific goals and preferences.